here?
Hang on.
The other guys in the little closet.
Look, Zachary. Okay.
We're the rock creatures. We're the rain creatures. Wait a minute, that looks like an eye.
Yeah, come on. Please don't go.
Look for patterns. You see like diamonds? What's that? They also blend in. Oh, echoey. Echo.
Hey, it's not too loud.
Yeah, we don't want people to know. Yeah.
What you doing now?
What?
How loud y'all are?
What is that thing? That's good. I think it was moth or butterfly. Moth or butterfly. Kind of looks like honeycombs. Oh, water slide, Mom. Look, I know they'd like rain and it would pour down.
Yeah. You gotta be careful where you step.
Man, it just keeps going and going.
Acorn.
You get lost out here.
I was like, stay in the
What? Can we go? Oh, can you get a picture of me up on that one?
What, the spider web?
Yeah.
No, come on.
Okay. Oh, this one.
Hey, babe.
You saying monkey's head? Why do you have a monkey's head?
I hate water
Those are
trees.
teaching on the ground.
Water's for jail. That looks like a what? Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's another trail going down.
Stand on the rock.
Mom,
This would be fun
take me up.
to do, but
No.
Come on. Why do you keep walking wherever you want to go?
No, I just want to do it. I hate
okay, go do a picture, but
What do you do?
trees.
you don't just wander off where you want to go, Jacob. You can get hurt.
You don't know what rattlesnake is in crevices.
Right there.
Can I get up?
No, stay there, Dylan. Let Jacob get one by himself. Smile. Brush your hair out of your face. All right.
Stay
Hey, babe, this rock looks like a face back here. This rock looks like a face.
Hey, I found a closed eyeball, Mom. Zachary, come on.
Right there.
I found a closed eyeball.
See right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Dylan,
Oh.
come on, y'all.
Come on. Okay, come on. Come on. I want to do pics.
I got a picture.
I heard something buzzing. I don't know what that was. Look, I bet you they got some silly snakes in there.
Mom, look at me.
All right, now.
Can we go look at this area?
I wanted to see what's here.
Okay.
There's a whole bunch of rocks and everything. Oh,
Stay into
that's a trail, but it's gonna be slippery.
Yeah. I don't want to get too deep in here with it getting dark.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's like a little
Look!
underhang.
Look! I'm doing this right.
We're not going too far in. I don't want to go too far in with it getting dark.
Yeah. I done the
Alright, let's start
spider.
heading back.
Look, I done the
We got
spider.
something to do. We got something to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Did you hear that weird noise?
Wait
I
till
heard like
up
a...
here.
We just got to remember how to get out.
I don't know if that was a wolf or what, but I heard like a...
It was a bird.
They say to stay on the trail.
Yeah, but which trail? There's a bunch of them.
We need them orange tags.
This is tiger.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Every turn, put a footprint.
I stepped on something slimy and now my foot is...
And stuff and shit.
No, it feels like bouncy, like...
Oh, sticky?
Yeah.
Oh, you probably stepped. Eat.
I don't know what it was,
Yeah.
but it felt like rubbery.
Okay, how do we get out of here?
I don't know.
Back into the
This
pool.
way.
We can always get like.
This is scary. See that tickle bit? Oh, I remember now. We went through here.
Just gotta pick a day to come in here.
And we need to make sure we have water with us.
That's a lot of work out.
Look, daddy long legs.
Yeah.
You see daddy long legs? They're the most venomous, but their mouth is too small to even hurt you.
All right, come on.
I'm sure that had some poor Lord.
Well, imagine being out here during the downpour. I said, imagine being out here during that downpour.
That'd be enough rock to keep you dry.
Really?
Good exercise. Good thing we don't got it cold yet.
I don't think most people know about this.
What are you? It's a rock.
I remember coming this way.
Oh, that's the place where we just check down there real quick.
No, we're not going that way.
Mom, I think
Maybe we can get up early and come out.
I think that daddy long legs.
Come on, Zachary.
I saw daddy long legs spited my foot, but it doesn't fall.
Downtown looking at cars that we've probably already seen already.
We need to come out here and climb rocks, and isn't this more fun?
This is something that you get to do, not walk around.
Listen, not many kids get to do this stuff because they're too much on tablets and cell phones and electronics and video games.
That's called Jim's Beach, Julia.
If he's doing this to build muscles in the legs,
Home of the iPad kids. These are giving me...
Right, and you won't be so out of breath when you do it.
Mom, look! Look how muscle we are.
I see her. Let me look. Let me get it. Let me see. Oh, man, y'all. Look at these muscles.
oh yeah, it got big muscles.
Lots of muscles. You got muscles? Woo, look at those muscles.
I got cream.
Let me see yours, Jacob. Man.
I got muscle.
Let's go check out Dad's muscles. Oh, man, look at that muscle there.
Oh yeah, she's right there.
Let me see your muscles, Dad. Stop, Jacob.
Look at my muscles.
Show me your muscles, babe.
Your muscles are good.
Show me your muscles.
You think I
Stop
can get
doing
a
that
piece
before
of
you
this
fall and hit
rock?
your head.
No.
Okay.
Why are you hitting the rock?
I hate. He's trying to be the noob from Minecraft.
That's pretty cool.
Mom couldn't go with a bit of tape. He's wondering why she couldn't get it. And then I gave her my own iron pickaxe. And it died. Mom, I hate rocks. I hate rocks. This is really cool, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.